This is the ultimate guide for working from home. 1. Pretend you are going to your firm's headquarters. What does this mean? Set an alarm, dress properly, and be video call ready. 2. Manage schedules. Enjoy and appreciate that you don't lose any time driving, taking the bus, or the train. Having the bed so close to your office can be tempting, but try to start early and have a normal lunch break like you used to. 3. Have a separate room/space for work. You don't want to be in that same place you just slept 5 minutes ago. A good chair and a desk works good, but let it be that space you use for working. 4. Be productive when you're motivated. Some people work better in the morning, some at night. Try to learn what kind of person are you and exploit that into doing the most difficult tasks. 5. Have some breaks. Enjoy being able to go for a run on midday or giving you a nice bath in the middle of the day. Do it with schedule. Those breaks are boosting your efficiency, energy, and well-being.